Just sharing with you the products that we're going to use this morning with regards to try and remove the oil and the grease from a client's carpets is our Z Bioscience Max, which is a heavy degreaser for removing oils and grease, and then followed up as the encapsulation as a final treatment. Both products work very well together. They're pH neutral, there's no odours to them, and what we'll try and achieve today, and we'll show you in the video, is to remove the oils and grease. Okay, we just taped off an area of about 6 tiles. We're going to do our process of pre-spray with the Probiotics Max, which is a heavy oil degreaser. We're going to leave that for about a 5-minute dwell time and then come behind with a slow speed scrubber with the BioScience Probiotics ENCAP. What we'll then do, we'll allow that for about a 20-minute dry, and then we'll come back and give you a completion at the end of the result afterwards. Okay, so we're now just pre-spraying inside that square with the Probiotics Z Bioscience Max Heavy Degreaser because of the heavy oil stains that have been left on this office carpet from internal equipment. We're going to leave that for about 5 minutes as a dwell time, and then we'll be running over with a slow speed scrubber with the Z Bioscience encapsulation product. We'll then leave that for about 20 minutes to dry, and we'll come back and we'll then show you a result after 20 minutes. And now what we're going to do is a slow speed scrubber with the Z Bioscience encapsulation. That in conjunction with the Max, which is there to remove the grease and oil. We'll run across this process. We'll leave it for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and remove the tape and then show you the results. The flooring itself will probably take in the vicinity anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes to dry. So the drying time is very, very quick. The probiotics will continue to work for days. So it's a soft nylon brush being used with a slow speed scrubber. The HBS Z Bioscience encapsulation is now in conjunction with the Z Bioscience Max. Appears to what we are now seeing is giving us a very, very good result. Once that dries in about 15 to 20 minutes, we'll give you an update. As you can now see from the result from the Max Z Bioscience in conjunction with the Z Bioscience carpet encapsulation, we've got a very, very good result and outcome. And we've removed the tape in about 20 minutes. So after it's dried, we'll come back and show you the end result after drying. Okay, this is a patch that we've done with the Probiotics Max as a pre-spray, and then followed up with the Probiotics encapsulation. As you can now see, we've done that flooring. It is totally dry. Compared to when you do hot water extraction system, it'll be wet for hours. And the comparison with the Max Probiotics Degreaser, and when you compare that to hot water extraction, which is commonly used to try and clean floorings in this condition, through the hot water extraction will stay wet for longer, and there is a potential, if you don't wash out the oil itself and the degreaser that you've used, it will wick back up. You'll get no wicking with the probiotics. Wicking is when residue's not washed out of the carpet properly, and the product that's been spilt, in this case it's oil and grease, hasn't been washed out thoroughly as well. So you've got a combination of oils and a combination of the product, whatever solvent you've used to try and wash out the carpet. That's what's called wicking, because it's not washed properly and continue to come back up the carpet 3 or 4 days later, which is very, very common in flooring management. As you can now see, the flooring is already dry. We're in the process now. We'll pull up the blue tape, and you can see the area which was cleaned and the area which has not been cleaned. This area here we've just done is now totally dry. If you're looking for information about our probiotic cleaners, go to healthybs.com.au, and all the information there is about Z Bioscience probiotics. Thank you.